How's it going, everybody? I'm Jason Jurgen, and I am a little bit sentimental right now because I'm going to be sending in my MacBook Pro early 2013, which I guess I've had for going on 8 years now, and it's been through a lot with me. The point, though, is not that I'm sentimental, it's that you can get a little money for these things. So no matter what device you have, I say try to recycle it. This will be the fourth. And I'm also going to be recycling this 5th gen iPad Air. This is a brand new Tough Armor case from the company Spigen. I think that's how you pronounce it, so I'll be giving that away. If you want it, just let me know in the comments and we'll sort it out. So this will be the 4th and 5th device that I've recycled, and you get a decent amount of money for it. I'm supposed to get 290 bucks for the MacBook, and I gotta look again and see what they're giving me for the iPad. So I checked my email real quick, and it looks like they're giving me $150 for the iPad, and with the MacBook, 440 bucks for stuff I wasn't even using anyway. I guess I need to see how much they want for an iPad Pro or something. They do make it super easy to recycle. You just delete all your info, reset, package it up, and send it off. With mine, I'll just be getting an Apple gift card, which I guess they want you to buy more Apple stuff, but you know, what can you do? I also wanted to add that the company I'm using is called Phobio, and it looks like they're partnered with Apple. Google them if you have any questions. If you have other devices, I say look into that, because I haven't done any stuff with Android devices myself, but I don't see why you wouldn't be able to recycle at least some of those. If you found this video even remotely entertaining or useful, feel free to hit that like button or drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more stuff. Have a good one out there, everybody. Be safe. Peace.